Good morning. So it is high summer now and it's bloody lovely. It's so warm outside and today is the hottest day of the year where I am in northern England. So I thought I'd go out in the sheltered ancient woodland and talk a bit and show you some wonderful sights of nature. I'm looking forward to touring you around my sacred spots in nature. Namaste. We've got this wonderful plant called the foxglove. I actually have no idea if it's native, whether it's from overseas, residing here, but it's beautiful. Look at its big green stems and its white, beautiful flowers. There are some that are mainly pink, like this, and they're quite a special plant. They're highly toxic, but they're used for heart medicine, and they're great for pollinating and bees. I love at this time of year the sheltered canopy of the ancient woodland. And yes, these are an evergreen tree, they're not deciduous, but on really hot days, above 30 degrees, it is so nice to be sheltered. And during the late autumn and winter and early spring months, I really miss this canopy when the forest becomes empty and open and bare. And in the summer, it's just so secure and peaceful. I'm just having a moment under the trees, keeping cool. This is my favourite spot that I like to sit in, especially on hot and sunny days like this. And you can probably hear the traffic in the valley below, but where I am is completely covered in sheltered trees, and it's wonderful. So wherever you are in nature today, I hope that you are happy, whether you're on your own, like me, enjoying yourself, independently, or whether you're with family and friends and loved ones. I hope you appreciate the power and the strength and the amazing energy of summer. It's really something special at this time of year when you've got this deep green and this heat and this beautiful aroma of flowers and earth drying out and insects flying around. It's just really special, and it's nice, it's rare. We don't often get this weather in this country, and it's really nice to share it with you all because nature is precious and it's so valuable, and we need to do more to appreciate it and protect it. I absolutely love this colony of foxgloves. It's really cute. They grow together in pockets or on their own, and I just love the colour, the deep pinks. Now, like I said before, you've got to be careful when you touch these because they're highly toxic, just as lethal as the yew tree, the ancient yew. But they're just so beautiful and it's full of life and vibrancy. And I'll show you some more of them. Just love that they stand there, proud and tall, pointing up to the sunny valley sky. It's gorgeous. Now that's what I love about summer, the sound of the birds and the valley in the background. I don't know if you could hear the church bells ringing, but I love stuff like that. Everything is so alive at this time of year, and even now he or she's tweeting away, living their best life, sitting in a tree waiting for another bird baby. It's lovely. You know, I absolutely love walking through this long grass on summer days when it's dry and warm. It's like a natural overgrown carpet, and it's full of such biodiversity, creatures, weeds, plants, flowers, ferns, such a varied array of species that depend on each other to coexist. And that's what's wonderful about nature. It all works together and not was against one of them. Finally found some shelter in this lovely grove. I love this path, it's so old and it's so beautiful, the trees lining it and the muddy earthy floor with last year's leaves. It's just beautiful. And here we have last season's bluebells. They've now faded and the lovely and green bulbs on, waiting for summer to end and the bulbs to fall into the ground and to grow into next season. It was such a beautiful bloom and the smell of it was wonderful this year, and I can't wait for the bluebells. It's always sad for me when they go, but I guess it's time for the foxgloves and sunflowers to take over. If we had bluebells, sunflowers and foxgloves all together, that'll be some stiff competition. Now I'm coming into that part of the woodland where it slopes down. There's a bit of a breeze, it takes the edge off this really humid hot day, and as you can hear in the background there is flowing water. So I'm going to have a few moments here, watch the water flow and enjoy. Well, thank you very much for watching my nature video, and I hope you enjoyed this walk as much as I did. Enjoy the summer because these moments are precious and rare, and enjoy nature. Namaste.